What's up and welcome back again, guys. So on today's video I want us to have a review on USDJPY and also USDZAR. We're going to first start with USDJPY, USDZAR, and also, guys, I want to teach you how to document trades on Notion. Everybody has to pass this crisis. Everything you have to do, you have to know what you're doing. You have to go full force when you are doing something. We have to dig more and dig what's the psychology behind it and everything. You can see I'm going to show you why do you have to document your trades, and also why do you have to plan for your trades. You don't have to document a plans trades that haven't yet occurred or haven't yet happened. So what you have to do is to document trades that have already occurred, and so that you can see what's the mentality, what the psychology behind those trades. So I'm going to first start by explaining what I'm anticipating on USDZAR. So you can see here, uh, we had our first touch. I'm not. We had our first touch here. We had our first touch here. We had our first touch here. So anticipate. We had our first touch here. Our second touch here, and our second touch here. We had our first touch and our second touch. So we did so that market is failing to break to the high of this previous resistance. So we had our strong reversal, which means that sellers are around this area. So we're anticipating two things now. It's either the market breaks to the upside to retest to this level, or else our trades got triggered in, and our stop loss is safe over there. So there is no need to worry about everything, even if our trades are getting triggered or get stopped out. As long as the trade is managed, you can see where our lot size, and also we're going to set our sell limit around this area. So this is my trading rule. This is my trading rule, guys. I use 1.00 lot size or 50 or 0.50 lot size. The leverage is too small, guys. Don't worry about the lot size. So when you're trading bigger lot sizes, anything, you don't have to worry about what account sizes he's trading. You can trade a 1.00 lot size on $100 account, as long as you have managed to set your leverage in the correct way. So you can see here we're anticipating two areas. We have this first area and this is the second area. So we have our stop loss safe over there. So I'm going to show you. Let's move to USDJPY now. So we also have our setup on USDJPY. We're anticipating two more places as well. We're having this first area, and this one is the second area. Let me show you. We're targeting this first area, and this one is our second area. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This one is our first area. We have our first area and our second area. Our first area and our second area. Our second area. This is our first area, and this one is our second area. So even on this one I'm not going to set a sell limit, because I'm anticipating to have a clear opportunity or anything else. I want to see the bears kicking in with a strong momentum here before I execute my trade, so I can keep my stop loss safe. So I'm going to use a 0.50 loss size as well there, because the risk management is managed, but it seems to be let me see how many pips. 45 pips. It's 48 pips. It's almost 50. It's almost 50, because you can see here when you convert when you round off the 6 on the 48.6, you can say it's a 50. Yeah, 50 pips. So you can see now. So we're going to enter our trade around this area, or either if the market breaks to the upside, we're going to maximize our stop loss, and also move our target, our entry to this position, so that you can see maybe we might have a double bottom. You can see here. You can see we have a first touch here. We have our first touch here, and we're anticipating our second touch here, or either Yeah, because there is a strong momentum of sellers now. So we're waiting for two things. You can see. Now I'm going to teach you how to document your trades on a trading view and not trading view on Notion. So it is highly important, good people, to document your trades so that you can see what you are doing, and also what you are planning to do, and also to see what kind of strategy you have. So I'm not using the free services on trading view. So I have the paid one, the paid trading view. So it's not for free, guys. You have to also pay for your services and also your tools and your technology. You must maximize your technology. You must not be afraid to use money to spend on your studies. It's like buying a textbook, guys. You have to do everything in your power. You don't have to rush to deposit and find and trade. You have to invest your money in knowledge before everything. So, like I said, guys, I started paying this program, this professional program, for almost around no around the February this year. So I'm going to move to the Notion now to show you what I'm talking about. So, guys, you can see here I have my trades document. So I had this is GBP USD. You can see I had analyzed my trades. You can see here. Let me show you on my YouTube channel. Here is GBP USD. You can go and watch this video and listen to what I was talking about and what I was saying. So it's highly important, good people, to document your trades, because you can see what kind of psychology do you have and what's your problem and why. You have to document your trades then, and also write some descriptions and everything, and describe what's your problem and why do you have to miss the trade and why everything has happened. So you can see, you can go and check audio USD. The trade is still running now. Everything is moving smooth. You can see, you can go even check NZD USD. On NZD USD, I've missed almost two trades. So it is highly important, good people, to document your trade. Like I said, I'm still repeating again. You must document your trades, and also you must find a platform that is very, very easy for you to document your trade. So let me move to this backtesting November. Let me show you. So you can see here I've documented my trades. I'm always mastering my strategy every day. I'm always mastering my strategy, and also I'm always having everything in control. I know what I'm doing. I also have my plan for tomorrow. I write my plans for tomorrow, and also you can see. So before I trade every day, I open these folders to see what kind of strategy do I have to trade, what am I facing on a market structure or anything, so that I can understand, so that I can have that. It maximize your confidence when you are trading, and also to trust the trades, and also to trust your analysis. So you can see, you must document your trade so that you can understand what you are talking about, and why are you doing, why do you have to do it. You must also have some explanations. So you can see here, you can see so now I'm going to move to another. I want to show you everything, and I want to show you everything. I want to show you what I'm talking about. Why is it important to backtest, and also to document your trades after backtesting? So let me move to the downside. I want to show you how many things that I've discovered, or that you discover when you are backtesting. There are a lot of things that you discover when you are backtesting. You can see here I had my trades running. This is USDCHF. Everything was correct. It was my first trading channel. This one for backtesting. So this is not perfect, guys, but it's my first time using Notion. So I've decided to sit down and think more about how uh, how Notion works, so that I can understand everything. So it's fine, guys. Those who want me to teach them how does Notion work, I can still send another video. You can drop a comment below, so that I can teach you how does Notion works, how to document your trade on Notion. Yeah. Let me move to my chat. So I hope I'm done, guys. It's Pro Price Action Trader. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. I wish you well. I wish you a successful trading journey, guys. Do what I'm telling you. You can see that your knowledge will maximize. Will uh, you must have patience when you are trading. You must have patience when you are learning how to trade, because trading is not easy. Those who tell you that trading is very easy, they are lying to you. You have to go all this. You have to travel and move to all these obstacles alone. Not with not everyone. Anything can happen, guys. When you see that you are in your comfort zone and you are just trading for fun, maybe you are trading them, you are trading for fun, you are just executing trades anyhow. Just know that it won't happen on real account. So what you have to do when you are trading real account, you have to plan for trades and let them lose if they lose, and let them win if they win, because everything is not promised. You must know, that's why we are trading our knowledge. You are trading what you are anticipating. So you must anticipate for trades before you are trading them, so that when you lose, you don't have too much stress because you have managed the trade. So everything must be well planned, guys. You don't have to trade like you're trading them. You know, when you're trading them, you're always clowning, you're banking big profits, everything. But when it comes to real account, you have to learn slow by slow and slowly. But the fast success build ego and slow success build character. So what is much important, you have to move slow, to know and understand what you are doing before you are doing it. It is highly important for people to be patient when you are trading, because you are going to face a lot of obstacles. I'm not going to lie to you. You are going to face a lot of obstacles. Some they can achieve this business in 5 months, 6 months, but we're not the same, and we don't have the same time, but we're sharing the same 24 hours. It is up to you whether you want to dig more deep, or you want to clown around and trade them and bank profits like you are clowning. So I think I'm done, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your support and for watching. I hope you're going to get more videos. I'm still going to do live videos to show you how I live my life and everything. Thank you, guys. It's your mentor proprietary section trader.